Hi everyone, this is BetPayout, where we teach how to make money online every day. Today I'm going to show you how to make money with your computer. One of the easiest way to make up to $100 in a day. All that you have to do is sign up to some few sites, sit down, relax, and let the money flow. If this video has moved you guys, remember, drop a like. This really helps with the video moving higher on YouTube. And lastly, subscribe for this channel to grow, guys. And this can be done in everywhere in the world. So get ready and let us start making money. The website that I want us to visit is Offer Vault. So as you can see on the screen right here, guys, this is Offer Vault, and this is a CPA site. Now, CPA is not affiliate, guys. Now, for affiliate sites, you have to share the link. People need to buy the product before you are paid. But for CPA, all that you have to do is that those that you show or give the link to, they have to simply either sign up, that's all, or install an app and you are paid. So I think the CPA marketing is easier than affiliate marketing. Guys, if you watch here, example, this oil profit Italian is giving a whole $600 when someone, right, that you post this link out there only signs up. This is the easiest way to make money than affiliate networks. Now guys, we are going to rather search for gift card. Now I believe that for the gift card, it helps so many people and it's easier for others to make than any other offer. So as you can see, here are some of the benefits. $1,000 from Walmart gift card. There are so many gift cards and it is easier to use this online. So that's why this video will be on gift cards. Now we are going to share this gift cards, right, for others to click on it, and when they click on it and sign up, they will be given the gift card whilst you are being paid $40, $34 and above. Guys, it is give and take. Now you ask, how am I going to share this? It is easy, guys. So for example, let us try the Apple gift card. Now when you click on it, mostly when you click on the run offer, it will move you to the website. So guys, when you click on the run offer, mostly to move to a site where you have to fill the form before you be given the CPA link. So you just need to fill the form and go through the CPA link. Now after going through the form and filling your name and everything, guys, and you get access to the CPA link, now the next step is this website called the Lumen 5. Now the Lumen 5 makes you create videos easily. You won't create yourself, but they have an AI that will create the video for you easy. So our online video creator makes it easy for anyone in your team to create engaging video content in minutes. So you wouldn't create the video, but it's the AI that will create the video. Now when you check their pricing side, they have the free plan. So you are going to sign up for the free plan. Because I've already signed up, that is why this is play. So you are going to click on this plan And here you're given the chance to create free videos, and all will be on 720p. Isn't this fun, guys? Very easy. So keeping in mind, you have to sign up with them, then move down to the current plan. So when you are done with the sign up, then you move to where you have to create the video. So you'll be offered their template. There are so many templates that you can choose from modern up to professional and the rest. So let's watch just a short preview. You just put in the text and they'll create this video for you, plus voice, without you doing anything on your own, guys. Without doing anything on your own, they'll create all this thing for you for free. What you have to do is simply put in the text, right, what it should say, and they will generate it for you easily. Now you will also ask, how am I going to get all this text? Now guys, watch here. All that you have to do is very simple. You just need to go online, find any video or any text that talks about money. So example, I searched and I went to how to start drop shipping business in 2022, right? So very simple. Just need to highlight, right, this article, right, due to issues with copyright. Highlight the articles in question. Remember, this about money drives attention, so highlight all the video that pertains to the topic that you want to make the video of. But mine very short, you just need to highlight it briefly because I want the video to be short. So, and you just need to copy it back to a site called paraphrase.io. Now for the paraphrase.io, they will paraphrase the whole text, right? They will rephrase the text so that it will not be like it is a copyrighted text or content. So it's very simple. You just need to click here and paraphrase it, and they will rewrite the whole content here. And after, copy it from the paraphrase text, right? Now return to the Lumen 5, paste it right there, then click on convert video, and Lumen 5 will create the video for you easily. Now when the video is done, download the video, and I'll show you where to upload these videos for major views, right? Because when people read it and you put the link under it, that free offer for the free Apple gift card, it will be moved towards to click on it. So when they click on the offer, then they'll get their gift card, and you too, you'll be paid of your $40. So just imagine if about 1,000 people clicks on this link and sign up. If you made huge money, guys, if you made huge money. So the site that you shall upload the videos that you've made from the Lumen 5, one is called odyssey.com. Now Odyssey is like YouTube, but it is new. These are one of the rising or upcoming video sites. Now because for YouTube is overpopulated, so it will be hard for you to get the views. But here you can easily get the views because it's a new site and there are so many views coming each day. So you getting enough views from here is sure than be on YouTube. So you just need to sign up, upload the videos, and you are gone. In the last site that you are also going to upload the video there and place the link, right, of the CPA is also called rumble.com. Now Rumble is also like Odyssey, whereby it's a new channel that's also trending, guys. It is also trending, and they pay as well. So when you upload, remember guys, when you upload the video, put the link under it and state that when they click on that link, they'll be given a free gift card. And everyone likes free things, so they'll click on it. And when they sign up, every sign up, guys, remember, it's $40 to you. So this is how to make money from a CPA, guys. So kindly go to the video. If you are lost in any way, kindly drop a comment and I will be willing to reply the comment. And lastly, guys, kindly drop a like. It really helps with the algorithm. And lastly, if you're new here, kindly subscribe and be part of this family where we teach how to make money every day. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.